How to enable Twitter or X edit button. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can enable the Twitter or X's edit button. This updated method shows that where you can easily access the feature. First thing first, you need to open up your X app or Twitter and head to your profile settings. You can do that by going over to your profile icon at the top left and then tap on settings and support. From there, go to settings and privacy, and you can easily find different options here to find new features that are experimental, which are usually rolled out here. Now, the next step is to go to the premium tab from here because the edit button is now tied to access premium tools depending on your region. As you can see here on the basic option, you can edit post. Then you have premium and premium plus. So to access the edit post option, you can easily take the basic plan is starting at $2 to tap on it. And then you can tap on subscribe and pay. And you can easily add your description, your card, and then tap on subscribe. Once that is done, you should have your edit post button inside the premium feature list if that's available in your region. Once that is done, you can go over to your profile. And once you tap on it and go to profile, you should find an option to edit your post. So tap on the three dots. And here, along with delete and pin, you'll have an option to edit your post. That is basically it, guys. It's the only way to get the edit button as of now, since X has gatekept the feature behind the premium price tag. So that's basically it, guys. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.